Brought to you by the Asombro Institute for Science Education, with support from the USDA Southwest Climate Hub.
Climate change is expected to have significant impacts on the agricultural industry, and adaptations will need to be made to ensure the future of these important resources. In this activity, students will learn about some of these adaptations and analyze the effect of climate change on 4 parts of a system. They'll discover how actors in the agricultural industry have interconnected responsibilities, and they'll explore trade-offs associated with adapting to climate change. To do this, students will conduct research, make a poster, and participate in a gallery walk. Each student will need a copy of the Actors and Impacts handout and the Interacting Adaptations handout. Plan to split the class into 12 groups. Each group will need 1 actor and 1 impact card, a reference sheet, set of highlighters, poster, and a pad of sticky notes. Use the PowerPoint to introduce agricultural adaptations to climate change. You'll discuss how these adaptations have both short-term benefits and long-term effects that may not always be positive. You'll be discussing 3 different actors or key players in the agricultural industry: producers or farm operators, agro-industry or business, and government. We'll also be talking about the impacts, or different parts of the system that climate change will affect. These include temperature, water availability, pests, and pollinators. Give each group 1 actor card and 1 impact card that they'll make their poster about. Groups should have different combinations of actor and impact cards. They'll start by doing some research using the reference sheet to fill out the Actors and Impacts handout. In the Actor column, write which actor is responsible for the listed adaptation. For example, agro-industry would be responsible for the development of technology. Then, decide which of the 4 impacts that adaptation would affect. Highlight the adaptation with the corresponding color. We would highlight this one in green because it's affecting pests. Once research is complete, students will make their poster. It should have the group's assigned actor and impact written at the top. Then, list the 2 to 3 adaptations that apply to that actor and impact combination from the Actors and Impacts worksheet. Next, you'll do a gallery walk of the completed posters. Give each group a pad of sticky notes that corresponds with the color of their impact: yellow for temperature, green for pests, blue for water, and pink for pollinators. Tell students to place a sticky note on a poster if an adaptation listed would apply to your impact. Write a plus sign if the effect would be positive, and a minus sign if it would be negative. Use the PowerPoint and Interacting Adaptations handout to discuss how the actors and impacts are all interconnected, and that there are trade-offs of each.
A detailed teacher's guide and accompanying materials for this and other climate change lessons can be found online at asombro.org/climate. Check regularly for updates, new lessons, and information about teacher workshops.